So as I said in the last vlog, today's vlog will be of me and one of my college friends meeting up for some drinks and some Christmas cheer at the Wharf. Y'all, I'm gonna tell you. So you guys know, welcome to Florida. One of them fast car that were awful loud. But anyways, as I was saying, you guys know I flew in from Washington DC, right? And Washington DC was cold as hell. So I brought a lot of like winter clothes. Winter clothes and stuff without thinking that wait, I'm stopping in Florida before I head back home. So now my suitcase is filled with these oversized sweater. And Florida is not as cold as Washington DC, so now I'm not dressed for the occasion. I'm not dressed at all, and I was not going to go out to go buy nothing when I have so many warm clothes at home. So I'm like, listen, we're gonna wear this sweater dress. We're gonna wear this sweater dress and be in the Christmas cheer, the Christmas vibe, okay? But I'm just waiting on my friends to come, and then we're gonna head inside. Classes start every 10 minutes. What time does it start? Like, it said 4 on the ticket. Yeah. Probably, yeah. Where do we get that hot? So I had to walk back to the front for my hat. This is the guava martini. You taste the guava?
It tastes good.
Yeah, it tastes good. I've never heard of guava martini.
This is good.
So that's good, yeah. the vlog life. Yeah. What flavor do you want to get next?
Oh, what were the flavors? As island girls. What am I gonna say?
Coconut? Yeah.
Yeah? That should be good, right?
Yeah.
Coconut. Yeah.
I knew that's what you're gonna say. Yeah. Oh, this is good. I like it more than the guava because the coconut is so strong. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So this is the mango. Tastes different. I taste the mango. It tastes. Yeah, coconut definitely. This is the banana, not mango. Banana. Mango would definitely taste good. But the banana. So our favorite is the coconut.
The coconut.
And then the guava. And then the banana.
And the banana is a little bit sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But still different. Nice. We're having good conversation. I haven't been vlogging because, like, you know, you're catching up with friends and stuff. The food in my tea. Hopefully food not in my tea. But you're catching up with friends and stuff. I haven't been vlogging. So I'm sorry. Guys, you already know it's 9:30. It's 9:30, so we can't be out. 9:33, so we can't really be out too late. But that was a vibe. That was a vibe, catching up with friends. And I got my Santa hat. So that's that for me. That you remember which day? 10. What the drink's name? What's that with it? No man, the type of drinks. Martini. 3 martinis later. 2 for 1. But we shared it, so I didn't have 6. We had 3. But night time. Thank y'all so much for watching this vlog. I don't know what we're going to do in tomorrow's Vlogmas, but gonna stay tuned for it. I feel like something on reverse it. I will see. Yeah, never. True. Moms, I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, y'all.
Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica.